Hello everyone, welcome to watch my live broadcast. Today I will introduce a series of strongest scribing cloth and sponge. You know, many young people will not to do the homework every day. Maybe the bowl after be used will be washed tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. When you do not wash them very in time, you may find the dirty will be stubborn. It's very difficult to scrub it, to remove the dirty. But today, the strongest scrubbing cloth will solve that problem. You could see this scrub with the strongest yarn. This could remove the dirty very easily. And it also could be designed into the sponge, this height sponge and this thin sponge. First, look at the thick sponge. It also could remove the dirty very quickly, and another side could clean the dirty very tidy. And this thin one could very easy to catch it and use it to wash the bowl, the plates. And also could be designed to this kind of cute small sponge. This small sponge hanger is very useful to hang up the sponge for dry, for save the space. This side could remove the dirty very easily, and this side also could clean it. Okay, this is the introduce today. Thanks for your watching. Looking forward to see you next time. Bye.